What's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to record calls on your smartphone. So we may start. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Let's go. So this application has name Call You. It is one of the application which is working for me. As you can see, here are my recordings. Tomorrow, yesterday, and yet earlier. As you can see, many recordings. And now you must go to the store Play, and now you must write call you, and here you have recording calls. It will be in your language. We have added manual recording feature. You can start recording by tapping on the floating widget, and you install this, later open, and you did it. So it is very simple, and that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. I hope that I help it, and you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. See you in my other tutorials. Bye.